I recently made a channel point redemption where Chad can just go ahead and change my hairstyle. Here's how to set up a random hairstyle channel point redemption using MixItUp and VTube Studio. First, let's create the actual channel point redeem on Twitch. On Twitch, you're going to go down and look for viewer rewards and select power-ups and channel points. Select manage power-ups and channel points and scroll down to the bottom until you find add new custom reward. Let's give it a fun name. For example, let's do random hairstyle. The cost amount can be whatever you want. I'm leaving it as 1 for this purpose. Cooldowns and limits, it's up to you. Personally, I have the limit set to 10 minutes. That way, if someone redeems it, they have a full 10 minutes to enjoy it before someone is like, I want a different one. When you're done, hit create. Now that we've made our actual channel point redemption, we're gonna go to VTube Studio and get the hairstyle set up. That way we can connect it to MixItUp later. Oh wow, look, double Mishi. Once you're in VTube Studio, you're gonna look for the pink setting icon. At the very top, you're gonna look for the hotkey setting and expressions. I already have a couple hairstyles here. Don't worry about that. But I have braids, space buns, pigtails, ponytails, all sorts of stuff. If you don't know how to do that, you're gonna open your expression editor. You're gonna create a new expression. Now, I do this specifically, okay? This is my personal preference and I'm gonna share this information with you. So what I personally do is with my hair toggles, I activate every single one. But for the ones that I don't use, I leave the set at 0 so it doesn't show, right? But let's say I want the bang side swept, I'll actually activate it and set it to 1, okay? So I'm gonna keep going and do this to every single one and just kind of like change the hairstyle to something I want. Until I'm all done, okay? So this is the hairstyle I want. This is actually really cute. I will be adding this. So the reason why I manually enable everything is because when I have my toggle set to this one, let's say chat redeems a different random hairstyle. It's gonna do the toggles that I enabled on that one, but it's not gonna get rid of whatever I have here. So let's say I had long straight hair before this, and then they toggle this one, well, my model's not gonna look like this. It's gonna look like this, and that's not what we want. That's why we set everything to 0. Got it? Cool. I just saved you like a bajillion years. At the top, we're gonna name the expression. I like doing hair, twin, braids, and then at the bottom, we're gonna hit save. Now we're gonna scroll all the way to the bottom, and we're gonna hit the plus icon. We're gonna go ahead and name this hair, twin, braids. For the hotkey action, set it to set and unset expression. For the expression, we're gonna look for hair, twin braids. Select it, and then hit record. This is gonna be the actual hotkey combination. In case you want to manually see it, I have it where I always hit Alt while holding H for hair, K, I don't know why. So then if we want to test it, we hold down Alt, H, K, and now it should show my hairstyle. And then what's really nice is that it didn't take anything from the previous hairstyle. So go ahead, make a couple hairstyles. For example, I have quite a lot. I would say do however many you want, whatever you think is fun. Once you're done with that, we're gonna go ahead and open up MixItUp. Now that we finished setting up the different hairstyles, in MixItUp, you're gonna go to the top left corner and select the hamburger icon. From there, we're gonna look for Twitch channel points. At the very bottom, you're gonna select add command to existing reward. Because we already made the Twitch channel point redemption, this is what we're gonna click. We're gonna look for the reward name that we had before. That was random hairstyle. For the action, we're gonna go ahead and look for random and hit select. We're gonna set the amount to 1. That means that when the person hits the channel point, it will do it 1 time. For the action, we're gonna scroll down and look for VTube Studio, hit the plus button, And now we're gonna actually select the hairstyle. For the action here, instead of load model, we're gonna do run hotkey. And for the model itself, look for the one that you have. For the hotkey, just pick whatever hairstyle you want. Select that one. For the purposes of this one, I'm gonna select twin braids because that's the one that we have right now. I'm also gonna rename this. Instead of VTube Studio, I'm gonna do hair twin braids. That way I know this is what it is. And then once we do that, we're gonna go ahead and duplicate this. And now in the second box, it should have the same information. So I'm gonna close the first one and we're just gonna edit the second one. We're gonna keep the action and the model the same, but for the hotkey itself, we're gonna change it to a different hairstyle. Let's say for this one, I want wavy. Again, it's whatever you picked. And we're gonna rename it to hair wavy so we remember what it is. Let's say I wanna test it. A very easy way to test things in MixItUp is this play button. It says test command. So I already have the hair twin braids on right now, but let's say I wanna see how it transitions to hair wavy. I'm gonna select the play button on the hair wavy, and there you go. If it doesn't play it at first, it may take a bit to load. Just go ahead and hit the play button again. Let's try it again with hair twin braids. See, it didn't load. I'm gonna hit it again. And there you go. When the person redeems it as a channel point, it won't buffer. It's just testing it. It's a little off. When you're done, go ahead and hit save. And that's it. Let's say I want to make sure this actually works out. I'm going to go on our Twitch page and I'm going to open the channel point redemption and I'm going to select the redeem. Go ahead and redeem it. And there you go. If you want to see what mine looks like as an example, I have quite a bit, and that's it. I hope this is easy to follow and you have some good fun with whatever channel points you end up making. For example, you can do hairstyles, you could do outfits, you could do different colors. It's the same exact steps. But as always, like, subscribe, and if you have any more questions or want to learn more, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Have a good one!